upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a curious boy named Oliver. Oliver had a vivid imagination and a special set of crayons that his grandmother had gifted him. These were no ordinary crayons, they were said to have magical powers. One evening, as the sun set and the sky turned shades of orange and pink, Oliver decided to put his magical crayons to the test. With a twinkle in his eye, he picked up the green crayon and drew a simple door on his bedroom wall. To his astonishment, the door swung open, revealing a pathway to a world filled with wonder.
Cautiously stepping through the doorway, Oliver found himself in a fantastical realm of towering candy trees, talking animals, and floating islands. Every stroke of his crayon brought the world to life. He giggled with delight as he drew colorful bridges, fluffy clouds, and friendly creatures. But soon, Oliver realized that not everything was as joyful as it seemed. Dark clouds gathered, and the skies turned ominous. The magical world he had created began to crumble, and he found himself trapped on a crumbling island. Fear gripped Oliver's heart as he looked around for a solution. Remembering his grandmother's wise words, he took a deep breath and picked up the blue crayon. With steady hands, he drew a powerful gust of wind that swept away the dark clouds. The world began to heal, and the magical realm stabilized. Oliver smiled with relief, realizing that his magical crayons held the power to both create and save. He spent hours exploring the enchanting world, making new friends, and learning valuable lessons about responsibility and imagination. As the moon rose high in the sky, Oliver knew it was time to return home. With a heavy heart, he used his crayons to draw the door once again. He stepped through and found himself back in his room, crayons in hand. Moral of the story, Oliver and the magical crayons illustrates the power of imagination and creativity, while also emphasizing the importance of using one's gifts responsibly.
Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel because your support encourages me to make more amazing videos for you. Thank you.